just got off the plane from Newark to Dallas, Fort Worth. Got to wait about an hour to get on the next plane over to Tucson. I think it's about a little over an hour flight, and then we'll be there. What do you think?
Oh, hey guys.
Look who I got here. Marvel Kid, 87 in the building, as Camilo would say.
What up?
Just had a little coffee. We're gonna be on a plane in a few minutes. Crazy, we missed our flight. I got Marvel Kid over here. Look who else we got, Queen sitting in the house. Look at it. We seen her running. We all missed the flight. So now we're scheduled on another one at 2:27. But we have to hike from Terminal A to Terminal C and catch the other flight because we missed this one. Everybody's been missing flights. It's been pretty crazy, so. Marvel Kid saying it's exciting. Is that why I see the sweat bullets running off your face? See, because if we do not make this 2:27 flight, then there's only 2 flights after, I believe at 7:40 and at 10:40, and that's it. So if we don't make those, we we're not going to be there. We won't make it. Thank God we're booked on the flight. We got to head over to Terminal C now. Got to take the monorail. We're happy now. We're happy campers. So everybody, all 3 of us made the next flight, which is leaving in about an hour, right? Yeah. It's leaving in about an hour, which is fantastic. This way we could still ride the new model bikes. Otherwise, it was time to go back home. So we're back on the plane, 2:22. We should be arriving in Tucson at 4:07 p.m. Hopefully we'll make it. I think it's an hour and a half ride from Tucson to WILCOX. Crazy day. Just got off the plane. Now I have to go get my bag. Hopefully it's here, and then meet the driver outside.
Hi, how are you, sir?
How you doing?
Good,
how
good.
are you, John? How you doing?
You
How
got
you
your
doing?
car too?
She still hasn't. She doesn't have her bag yet.
They didn't come in the last one.
I found mine. Thank God. I got my helmet in here. All my GoPros, all my batteries, everything. All right, so we got super lucky. Erica's bag is here. My it just came out of off of the carousel, and she spotted it. My bag's here. Marvel Kid had all his bags on the plane, which was probably smarter. But either way, all is good. And it is so beautiful out here in Arizona, the weather. Oh my God, look at these cactuses over here.
Hopefully some campfire or something, maybe some drinks, who knows, but I need it.
Drink?
Hey, what's up? You're
What are
on
you
the
doing
vlog.
back there? What are you doing?
You're on the vlog, man.
What are you doing back there?
You don't have a charger, do you, Carlos?
I sure do.
You are a
So, yeah,
liar.
This is Carlos. He'll be taking us over. Thank you, Carlos. Appreciate it.
Tomorrow's gonna be the big day. Tomorrow's
What
gonna
a
be the
day.
track day.
What a day.
Motovloggers
And
are
Queen
coming in here
sit
tonight.
in the building.
Pretty sure a lot of you guys
Thank
know
God
who
she's
they
got
are.
her bag.
So tune in and see the rest
I'm
of
so
the
excited. That could have been so bad. Oh,
Oh, I know, right?
Yo, we're out here being tourists, man. Taking pictures of cactuses and everything.
Yeah.
We don't see this back
Ah.
home.
We see oak trees, not cactus. About 15 minutes away, almost there. Marvel Kid's getting anxious. Queen Sit's hungry.
I need food.
And that is going to be a beautiful sunset here in a little while. Are you kidding me? Dude. Matt, are you sure you gave me the right room? That's not a room. That's not a room. That's a mansion. Check this out, guys. Look at this place, guys. It's absolutely beautiful, gigantic. Kitchen. A little living room. Dining room. Look at that view out the window. You got the racetrack right there. That's the racetrack. Holy cow, this is, wow, this is amazing. Like 12-foot ceilings. You got one bedroom here with a bathroom. Then you got another bedroom here. Wow, this place is, holy cow. Amazing, beautiful. Guys, this is Matt from Harley Davidson, and this is the man that makes all of this happen. Without him, none of this is possible. Thank you so much.
One of the people.
Appreciate you. Thank you for obviously giving me this opportunity. Appreciate you.
Yeah, we're super excited to have you.
Yeah,
It's gonna
thank
be
you.
awesome.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
Let's do it.
We got some heavy hitters here. Let's start off with Jess. Her two wheels.
Yeah, we need to clean the lens.
Hang on. We're in a meeting now. Mr. Rob over here.
I started saying in the building.
Mr.
It's
Robert
copyrighted.
Simmons. That's copyrighted.
It's copyrighted. That copyright's been violated so many times.
We have Case right there from TFL Bikes. We have Queen Sit right there. We have Mr. Jerry Palladino right there. Say hi. There we have Blockhead and Jess from her two wheels. All right, guys, back in the room. This room is unbelievable. It is literally like a house. I wish you guys could see it. Hopefully the video does it justice. But anyway, I'm gonna sit down and take off my shoes. And this is what's going on. It's about 9 o'clock here, Arizona time. So it's really 11 o'clock East Coast time. So I need to get some sleep because tomorrow morning we have to be back at the meetup point at the barn. We're gonna have some breakfast at 7:45 a.m. And right after that, we're gonna be getting on the bikes. We're gonna be on the track for probably half of the day. And then we're gonna be eating lunch around 12. And at 1 o'clock, we're gonna actually take it into the beautiful, twisty, scenic Arizona roads. So I cannot wait. We met a lot of great people here from the Harley Davidson team. Thank you again so much to Matt and Jen. Totally appreciate your help and thank you for this opportunity. We met Blockhead and her two wheels for the first time. That was awesome. We met Case from TFL Bike and Jerry Palladino. So we met a whole bunch of other great YouTubers. We have obviously Queen Sit here, Robert Simmons, Marvel Kid 87. Awesome time it's going to be tomorrow. But I am pretty much pooped. I'm tired, but it was a great day, a lot of traveling. We missed our flight. That was crazy. Jen was able to get us on the next flight, so we still made everything, but it was basically a whole day's worth of traveling. We're gonna be riding the Road Glide, Street Glide ST models, but they do have one Road Glide ST in black that has a 131. I'm gonna try to get my hands on it. And we're also gonna be talking to the Wayman brothers and to the entire Harley Davidson King of the Baggers championship winning race team. And we're gonna be checking out the bikes. They have a new bike for 2022 that's here that we're going to be looking at. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.